Dash once.
I told
Lost the hair on my arms once. Yeah.
Ready for president.
I'm telling you guys this so to save you. Yeah.
You got
The setup.
wait for it. What can it be for? I can't do anything.
He was waiting for the setup to happen.
I don't know what the setup's supposed to be though.
How's your hearing?
Huh?
How's your hearing?
Huh?
Alright, so here we go. Call for heat. Thermostat.
Hey,
call.
heat!
Connects R to W. IFC does a quick safety check.
Oh, I thought you told me.
IFC brings on an inducer fan motor, pulls the draft through the heat exchanger, pulls it back into the pressure switch. Pressure switch closes, so the 20 volts back to IFC, letting it know it's working. The IFC will then bring on the hot service igniter to start getting hot. The IFC will then energize the combination gas valve, letting gas flow through the manifold to the spuds and orifice, mixing with primary air into the jets and burners across HSI, burning into a flame that's burning inside the heat exchanger. Oh, not enough pressure. Did you hear that little poof? Yeah. Nearly enough pressure. Let's do this in a little bit more. Now it's going to go through a retry process. I hope they can burn this over properly.
Oh, there are springs and orifices in the bag.
Okay. It's been used.
There's springs and orifices in the bag. I didn't look for wear marks.
Hopefully put the right spring inside. I imagine they did. I don't think they get up to that high of a water column if they did.
You know, it springs a little light.
Alright, so here it's going through a retry. Hot service igniter. Now the combination gas valve should be energized, allowing gas to move through the manifold to the spuds, through the orifice connected to primary air into the burners, across the still not enough pressure. Let's increase a little bit more.